Welcome to the channel, guys. Today I'm going to go in great detail and talk about the winning products that you can find in 2022 for your Shopify account. The major thing that you need to understand before you get into this industry is that what products sell and why do they sell, and how can you find those products that really can make you a proper living. Now this is where this video comes in. So if you want to find the proper details, this is the video for you. I'm going to go in great detail and talk about the tips and tricks that I'm going to show you today in this video that can help you find those products that are really the winners in 2022. The first thing that you need to do is head over to this website called dsers.com. This is the best AliExpress drop shipping tools for e-commerce, the AliExpress official e-commerce solution, and the process orders to AliExpress, making payments in bulk. You can find multiple AliExpress suppliers options for a product in one click. The dsers e-commerce integration is available for AliExpress, Shopify, WooCommerce, and Wix as well. dsers makes it very easy to drop ship with AliExpress with over 150,000 dropshipping users that have helped to start and scale their e-commerce stores, and you could be one of them. It's very simple, guys. The first thing that you need to do is find and sell winning product, which I'm going to show you exactly how to do in today's video, because this is where the real trick and tips come in, because this differentiates and gives you a competitive advantage over your competitors to ensure that you can find the right products and also scale those products to become one of the biggest selling products on your Shopify account. So how does the dsers make the dropshipping business very easy? It's simple. They manage the dropshipping suppliers easily. dsers allows you to set up multiple suppliers for one product and check the product inventory to personalize your offer. And you can place hundreds of AliExpress orders in seconds. As AliExpress dropship partners, dsers helps you place unlimited orders to AliExpress quickly and pay for them in bulk, and you save 96.7% ordering time with satisfying your customers with order tracking, optimizing shipping costs and delivery time. So it's very simple, it's very straightforward. And keep in mind, to succeed and stand out from countless dropshipping online retailers is make your store unique and attractive. Work with stable suppliers, process store orders effectively, and price products with huge margins. Stay on top of the industry trends, which I'm going to show you right now, and offer exemplary customer service. Once you combine all those elements together, then you literally have a strategy that is not only effective but successful and scalable at the same time. And they've helped 97% orders to save time, with 150,000 merchants trusted on dsers, with 150 million plus orders that have been delivered. The first thing that you need to do is click on login over here. Once you click on it, you'll be able to set up an account, and once that has been set up, you'll be taken to the next place, which is your dashboard. On the left hand side, you would have your home, your report, your find suppliers, your supplier optimizers, your import list, your products, your open orders, your archived orders, your tracking, and your link to more stores. Then you have your settings and your managed subscriptions. On the top over here, you would have your Shopify and all the different accounts, and the best thing is the fact that you can change it into any language. For example, if you're in France, if you're in Portugal, or even in Germany or Italy or Spain, you can easily select the language that you're most comfortable in. Then over here on the main page, you can search for the keywords for different products. You can look at the high profit sections. Then you can check the winning products in different countries. For example, this one is in Brazil. This one is in the US, the winning products in the US that are selling right now, and also the winning products in the EU, which means Europe. So you can check the product which are selling in particular areas. So if you're targeting a particular audience, you can select the products that those particular audience want to have. And as you scroll down, you'll be able to see different products already available. You can click over here and check where you want it for it to be shipped from China, from the US, from France, or from the UK. Then you can look at the orders, the news, and the price as well. And as you scroll down, you'll be able to see the different products that are available. The main element over here, guys, is to find a product that is really selling to a particular audience, a niche that you've selected. And obviously, once that niche starts buying those particular products that you have, that is where you will start making money. The product can be very small, but you could sell a huge quantity of it, or the product can be very expensive, for example, an electronic product, but you'll be selling less of it at the same time, but you'll be making a profit. The main element and the profitability actually comes from the margins that you can create, and that is where you find the best product that is available. So for example, let's search for a particular product over here. So we're going to go over here and search for phone cases, and as I search for it, it's going to give me all the different phone cases that are going to be available over here for us to get. So for example, it could be for the iPhone. Now this is for $1.79, this is for $4.75, and obviously this is going to have all the information over here. Now what we need to do is find more information in regards to it. So let's select a particular particular product that we find interesting. I think this one looks quite nice. This is a thick shock-proof iPhone cover. So we're going to look at the supplier optimizer. Once we click on it, it's going to take us to the next page over here. Now, this is very important, guys, because you will look at the supplier optimizer so you can find the same product using the AliExpress product URL link and click to learn more over here as well. Then you have your shipping details. So for example, if where you want to ship it from and where you want to ship it to. So you're shipping it from, for example, China, and you want to send it to Europe, you want to send it to the UK, you want to send it to France or Germany or the US. And then what sort of standard shipping do you want? Do you want the AliExpress standard shipping or you want the premium shipping? So you can select the shipping you want by scrolling down over here and selecting the shipping that you require. Once you've done that, you'll be looking at the price that's going to be available. So you have this product which is for $1.69, which is a shipping cost of $4.08, and there haven't been any sales for it, but there's a rating for 4.7. Now this is something that you need to keep an eye out for. But if we go to the luxury transparent shockproof silicone case for iPhone 11, this is for $8.25 with a shipping price of $3 and 3,667 sales number with a rating of 4.5. So this clearly shows that a lot of individuals right now are looking at this particular product and want to buy this particular product. So this product should be highlighted because this is a product that can make you money at the end of the day. What they have done is that they put a good description. They've gone in great detail to give you a breakdown. At the same time, you have this particular product which has sold 14. But if you look at this product which is sold 116 at a price of $12.89 with a shipping of $3.34 with a rating of 4.8, you can clearly see that these products are making massive profits. So if you're an individual and select a particular product such as this for $1.84 for $3.82 shipping, 366 sales for 4.8. So this individual literally has made around $9,000 to $1,000 just shipping this particular product because the silicon clear soft TPU phone case for Oppo Reno 6, 5 or 4 or 3 can be easily found. So if you scroll down over here, you'll find a very interesting product, and this is the product I want to show you. This is the luxurious transparent shock-proof silicone case for an iPhone for $1.33 and a shipping cost of $4.8, and 1,523 items have already been sold. And if you get it right now, it will be delivered to you on 3rd of October and you can start selling it instantly. And you have a rating of 4.3. So when we click to add to the import list, it will be automatically added to the import list. So let us go back and look at a different product because you want a couple of products because that's where the portfolio comes in. So we're looking at products for phone cases. Now the mistake which a lot of people make is that they change the niche that they're in. So if you are selling phone cases, what you want to do is start selling the phone rings. Now this is very interesting, guys, because you want to make sure that your Shopify account tends to have the right products, multiple products available. And the rings are something that add a lot of value because the cost of it is not that much, but at the same time, you can make a lot of profit from it. And that is the reason why a lot of individuals right now are looking and trying to get into this niche. And this is a tip for you guys because the price is less, but the quantity sold is massive. For example, if you look at this particular product, which is a finger ring holder, and we go for the supplier optimizer, you'll be able to see the difference that is available in the price that you can get. So now we're looking at the price and the margin that they're selling for. For example, this ring is costing 0.18 with a shipping of $3.19 and a sale number of 1,986. Now, if I scroll down, you'll be able to see as the price decreases, the margins are where the profit is going to be. And this is where the main element comes in. So for example, if you go for this one, is going to pay for 0.35 and the value added, and this is a tip for you guys. For example, if you combine the finger ring holder with your phone case, that's where the profit comes in. So combining 1 or 2 or 3 elements together, you're able to create a package for your customers. And once you look at the package, you can always increase the price of the phone holder and decrease the price of the finger ring, at the same time increasing the profit margin. And that is where the main money is at the end of the day, guys. And that is how you can take and increase the sales on your Shopify account. Now, for example, if you head back to the main page and look at this product and we click on it, what it will do is it'll go and take you to the AliExpress main page where the product is. Now, this is where my strategy comes in, guys. All you need to do is copy paste all this information that's available. You have your pictures, you have your videos, you have the descriptions of the product as well. And if you scroll down, you'll see all the details, the features, the descriptions, the specifications, the materials, the package included, and the notes as well. All you need to do is take all that information, put it on your Shopify account, order it from there, get it, and put a margin of profit on it. It is as simple and straightforward straightforward as that, guys. If you have any questions whatsoever, do let me know in the comment section below. I'll be more than happy to help you, guide you, support you, and assist you in any manner possible. At the same time, if you've not subscribed to my channel, do subscribe to the channel so you can get up-to-date information of different products that you can easily find and maximize your product. So stay tuned for my next video. Until then, take care.